What's up, CLIPA? John here from Mr. Pipeline. I want to check in, guys, and make sure that you guys are set up to have your greatest season in business this year. So what does that look like for you guys? It means more customers, it means a better brand, it means a more just efficient team and system. So for us, we can certainly help you, support you on many of those things. But first and foremost, let's talk about the marketing side. So guys, how's your website look? Is it on fire? Is it built to convert? Is there contact forms everywhere? Large clickable phone numbers, mobile friendly, fast page speed, offers all throughout? Does it make Mrs. Jones get in that holiday spirit and want to reach out to you? Or that large commercial property? Does it instill trust and they say, you know what, that's the company I want to work with? If not, let us know. We'll do our very best to build you something that you're so proud of that gets the job done. In terms of driving in new business, well, we're excellent at that. In fact, we market for some of the industry leaders in this space. So let's not fix what's not broken. Let's go after the things that really matter, such as driving in Google ads at a very high level. Let's talk about getting your rankings pumping like crazy. This way, ultimately, if you're in this business for a long time, like you're showcased on page 1 throughout, so you don't have to give all your money to Google. Guys, there's so much we could do here for you, but remember, it starts with making sure your website's on point, you're driving in new leads, and you're ranking. All right, so stay in touch, guys. Remember, we do our very best to make sure that you guys are absolutely crushing it. And if you ever need any advice or you just need maybe some insight from behind the scenes, you make sure you reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. All right, guys, have an awesome season and reach out. We'll talk soon. Much love.